Morning guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the Scott Barnes Show, and in today's video we are doing a vlog. Here we go. So today I thought it'd be a great idea to do just a daily vlog. Haven't done one in 6 months or longer, and today I thought would be a great day. The weather has changed. We are in the definitely a cooler weather. It's about 50 degrees outside. So I want to go get a cup of coffee. I want to show you guys that the best cup of coffee is at 7-Eleven for $1. All right, any cup, any size, any time is $1.07. So we're gonna get some coffee. I'm gonna get a donut, and then we're gonna go train jiu-jitsu. We got a lot of stuff going on today, so let's see if I can get it all on film, and we'll have a great day. So let's have fun and come on home. Shows you how obsessed I am when you got to replace the old one with the new one. All right, coffee down. Now let's go get a donut. I want to get a donut, and then yeah, we're gonna go train some jiu-jitsu today. Yeah, it's gonna be that kind of a day. Now I know it's been a while since I've made a video. There's a few reasons for that. A couple of them are personal. Some family situations have changed. I'm not going to get into that, but all for the positive. I know the beard's down. I had a root canal about 3 weeks ago, and when I was getting it done, I had to keep coming back, and I had to shave the beard every time. Their utensils were just getting in it, and I couldn't. I just was having an issue with it, so I just trimmed it up. I don't care. I still got some sort of a beard. But you know, hey, it is what it is, and we can always maintain the small beard if we need to, but we're gonna just kind of keep it short for just I don't know, a few more months, and we'll see what happens. But also want to smack that right there, because that's back in action, and that's gonna straight only be a jiu-jitsu, me only account. So if it's not your taste, don't follow. If it is, by all means. But yeah, just want to give you guys a little bit of an update of what's going on. And yeah, I know it's, like I said, it's been a while since I posted, but you know, sometimes I need I just need a few, you know, when things happen like this, I need to reevaluate what's going on, and I'll always be back. Don't ever think I'll ever go away. You know, I'm always here for you guys, and thanks for sticking with me. And like I said, I apologize for my absence, but cool part is I'm gonna pick it up right where I left off, and I thought let's just start making vlogs again. That makes me really happy. I got a lot of things going on in my life right now, especially with traveling, things in the the job that I'm in, and I might push that too as well. So let's keep this video going. So just to give you guys a little bit of a plan. After this, we're gonna go to jiu-jitsu. We're gonna train. I want to get some good footage of that. And then later tonight, we're gonna have a little shindig party with some of my friends. So let's keep this going and have a great day. All right. Now, a couple things I have in my inventory right now are some Artius Man. So we've got a shampoo and a facial cleanser, and then also they sent me a cool pumpkin chai candles. I love their candles because they've got that big wick for a cool slow burn. And then I'm actually gonna hop in the shower right now. I'm gonna give this a good try, and then we'll see how that goes. But yeah, go down the link. I'm gonna put the Artius Man promo code in there so you guys can check out what they got for the fall season. All right, guys, it is open mat jiu-jitsu time. Let's go. Revolution Dojo, Katy, Texas. So just did about an hour and a half to 2 hour open mat roll. I got to roll with a lot of guys, so it was a good round. So let's head out. I'm gonna go watch the fights, the Khabib and Gaethje fight, and then let's go on to that party. We'll see how that goes. So let's get on out here. The Buffalo Wild Wings, if you want to sponsor me, give me $100 million. Okay. Now we got a Khabib fight and Justin Gaethje, so let's check it out.
The white guy. Patty cake, baby.
What the fuck are they doing? It's somebody! Yeah, let's go.
I want Gaethje to win. I want this man to win. That's a no-brainer. I want him to win.
That was it.
Got it around. I've never seen something like that.
No, dude, that was crazy. All right, fast forward a couple hours. So we went from Buffalo Wild Wings, and now we're over at a friend's house, and we are having a good time. Ooh.
Oh.
So we're just chilling, having a good night, and then I think afterwards we'll just, call it a day and head home. So, yeah, man, this place is pretty cool. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, guys. Woo! It's your birthday? We only got the end of it, but happy birthday anyway.
Do it again.
It's your birthday too.
And many more.
Bite it. Bite what?
So overall, it was a fun day. We did a birthday for our buddy, kind of hung out. We did a little shindig. I tried to get, my phone was dying, so I tried to get as much video as I could. But anyway, it's 2 a.m. I'm tired as hell. Whatever. But anyway, hey, I had a good night. Thanks for coming along. Great long day. That Khabib fight was crazy. I'm shocked. No, I'm not shocked, but dude got set up in a top mount triangle. Yeah. All right, you guys. Well, thanks for coming along. I'm going to hop in the truck and then head home. Love you guys. I'll see you guys later. See ya.